Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, presided over the function to celebrate the 78th Independence Day at the Polo Ground. He hosted the national flag, inspected the parade, and saluted the marching contingents, including the armed forces and schools participating in the march past during the event. The 78th Independence Day was celebrated in Zanskar subdivision with patriotic fervor and zeal. Subdivisional Magistrate Zanskar Romal Singh Donk hosted the national flag at Sports Stadium, Padom, and took salute on the colorful march past presented by Ladakh Police, NCC cadets, and students of various government and private schools. Padma Shri awardee Chultim Chonster was present as guest of honor on the occasion. While addressing the gathering, SDM Zanskar detailed the achievements of developmental works in the subdivision. CC Advocate Tashi Gelson, LHDC Leh, convened a meeting on in presence of Deputy Chairman Siring Angchuk, Executive Councillor for Minority Gulam Mehdi, Executive Councillor for Agriculture Stenzin Chosfail, and others. During the meeting, CC Gelson engaged in comprehensive discussions with relevant officers and officials to review the arrangement necessary for the tournament's success. He stressed the importance of meticulous planning and timely execution to ensure a smooth and impactful event. In Ladakh, Akashvani Kargil marked the 78th Independence Day with a series of patriotic events across all its stations and centers. The main celebration took place at Akashvani Kargil station in Baru, where the Assistant Director of All India Radio Kargil, Engineer Vijay Singh Ken, hosted the national flag. The event was attended by officials, their families, and children from Balashram and nearby areas. The 70th Independence Day was celebrated at new stadium of subdivision Khaltase with the great enthusiasm. Subdivisional Magistrate Khaltase Kanis Fatima unfurled the national flag with national anthem song presented by Government Higher Secondary School Khaltase and God of Honor presented by Ladakh Police Khaltase. On the occasion, SDM Khaltase Kanis Fatima extended heartfelt congratulations to all the people of Khaltase subdivision and said that this day is a reminder of the sacrifices made by countless heroes and the unity that brought us freedom. The 70th Independence Day was celebrated at DC office Leh. Deputy Commissioner Leh Santosh Sukhdev hosted a national flag followed by singing of national anthem to celebrate this glorious day.